So little Larry and I have a pretty big day. This is the beginning of his initiation into the fellowship or the brotherhood. Come on. Turn it. You crank right here as the piston's going up and down. Look. And then you take the key. You gotta put your oil filter on. Alright. You got oil filter. Okay. Alright. What else we got? You wanna start it up and see how it sounds?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Let's see, you got spark plugs in there? Let me see. Oh, you gotta put your spark plugs in there. Your spark plugs right here. This goes in right there. So you take this and you socket and you start it. Then you tighten it. Put that spark plug wire on.
Let's do it again. Let's do this.
Plug wire on. All right. Is that everything? Righty tighty. Now check your wrench. Now tighten it with your wrench. Whoa. You fired it up, Larry. It's running. And you put your spark plugs right there. You remember how you put those in the other engine?
What's this?
Spark plugs. Now start it with your hand. Turn it. Righty tighty. Here's the other one. Righty tighty.
Yay.
Where they going?
Yep.
We got 2 engines.
2 engines. So little Larry and I have a pretty big day. So yeah. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back with you. So this is the trip that Larry and I had to take. We had to come and see the good folks at Zippers about these V-twins we got here. You ready to go, Larry? All right, let's head go. And they say, bring up a child in the way that you should go.
Man, look at this guy. That is cool.
Yeah, so
Did you build that? Did you put that together?
this is one of his 2 Christmas gifts.
That's pretty cool.
So I said, what we'll do since you're building the engines now, we're going to see the good folks at Zippers to get an idea of what you can do. You've been here before. Which one you like, Larry? You like the red one or you like the white one?
White.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the OG one. Come on. Yeah, so they're pretty cool, man. They came with tools. Basically, you can put them all together. You can take them all apart. The spark plugs pop out. Yeah, wires. Pull basically the whole bottom end apart and reassemble it and everything.
Wow.
Me and little dude are sitting here in the back, waiting for the mad scientist to show up. We're gonna talk about some options that little dude has here at Zippers. You ready, lad, to talk about some cams?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Ready to talk about some cams. You can get you a muscle kit. That is a Milwaukee 8. That is a Muscle 124.
What's this?
Those are caps that block off the exhaust ports.
What's this?
It's a cam cover. See the push rod tubes? You see right there? You get push rod tubes. See right here? Get them on yours?
Push rod.
Yeah, push rod.
rod.
Look. See right here? Right there? See, look at that. See the oil filter? See the oil filter right there? See your oil filter? How many spark plugs?
1, 2, 3, 4.
This engine right here takes 4 spark plugs. Your engines take 2 spark plugs. This one takes 4 spark plugs. See, 1 spark plug there. The second one. Then you got 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right.
4 spark plugs.
Yep. What's that?
It's a is that a push rod?
Yep, those are the push rods.
And push rod and push rod.
Right.
How you doing, buddy?
Doing
Did Dad get you an engine? I heard it run.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Where did you find that?
Amazon of all places. It had 2 different versions of it, two different toys. So I'm gonna get both of them.
Drive your wife crazy.
At some point within the next week or so, the batteries may mysteriously die or be taken out.
Seized up.
Yeah.
That piston seized.
Yeah.
Put some glue on that piston go up and down.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah,
turns.
So if you glue the piston,
Does that. You see the cams. Both of them came with their own set of tools. You know, the pistons and everything, connecting rods that you can see those go up and down. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool little toy. A dad and kid thing that you can do. So Larry, this is the. So I brought you out here so you can have this talk, so you can figure out what you're gonna do with your engine. You okay? You ready to go? You know what this is?
This is
It's a toolbox.
it's a toolbox.
Yep. You gotta put your tools in your toolbox. Here you go. Yep. Where you gonna put that?
Put it in here.
All right, well, go ahead and put it in your toolbox. Okay.
Throw it in.
That goes right there. All right. Then what goes right here? Screwdriver. Get your other screwdriver. Okay. Put that. That goes right there. That goes right there. Okay, that goes in the bottom drawer. And then put your. Where does that go?
This is right
Yep, that goes right there.
there. Right there.
All right. So you got a toolbox, little dude, for your shop, for your engines in your shop. How you like that? You like your toolbox?
Yes.
All right. You ready to do some work on your engines?
Engine.
I want to be an engineer. So you get you an internship with Adam at Zippers, okay? Go ahead and put your sticker on.
I want to put it right here.
Where you want to put it?
Here. That's right here. Daddy. I want to put it right here. Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Right here. Right here.